Hi, did you place a stock order at market price but it got executed at a different price? Let me guide you on why this could have happened. In the stock market, the prices of stocks constantly keep changing. You may have observed that during market hours, the price of a stock could be, for example, 100 rupees at one point, and the very next second it could be 101 rupees or even 99 rupees. In fact, stock prices may change within microseconds. This means that the price of any stock may change from the time you place an order till the time the order actually gets executed. To check the price at which your stock order has been executed, you can click on the stock on your Groww dashboard. Here, click on holding details and go to order history. You'll be able to see the average price at which the order was executed along with the order type. If you've placed an order of more than one stock, you can go to the list of trades to check the price at which different quantities of stocks were bought or sold. I hope this was helpful. Bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and/or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.